emerging at T junction. So at the end of this road, I will be turning right. Now, whenever you're emerging at T junctions, you need to ask yourself a few questions. Number one, is it an open view junction, or if it's a closed view junction, the width and the length of the road, how wide the road is. If it's narrow, think about any potential hazards. Think about if there's any bus or lorry you need to turn, so you may need to stop slightly early. Think about positioning. So I need to turn right at the end of this road. Now the reference point, I normally say to my learners that they need to make sure when they're turning right, if it's safe to do so, position in such a way that the white line is disappearing about here. So by doing so, they will not gonna go too much over the right and not much toward the left. Now as I'm approaching, I look to my right, I look at my left, and I can't see because there's a car parked, and the left there's a bushes there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop my car at the end of this road here. Once I stop, you can lean your body forward, so look at your right and you can your left. So I can see better now, so nobody coming from the left. I'm going to look at my right again. Now I'm going to check my left again, and I will go forward, and I would start turning nice and slowly. But when you're turning, you make sure you turn into the left side of the road, which is your road. And before we pick up our speed, check your mirrors again.